Welcome. In today's video, we will be covering the topic 7 C's of communication. Let's go through what are the 7 C's of communication. Completeness, conciseness, consideration, concreteness, clarity, courtesy, and correctness. So these are the 7 C's of communication that hold importance in the process of communication. Let's start with the very first one, that is completeness. As the term suggests, whenever we as a sender are sending any message to the receiver, we have to take care that the message is complete. It should contain all the facts that we want to convey to our audience, to our readers, to our receiver. We also have to take care of whether all the entire relevant information is included in our message or not. Also, we should consider what type of reaction we will get from the audience. With respect to the reaction that we want to have, we need to include the desired information, the relevant information in our message. We have to make our entire message complete. So that is completeness. Moving ahead to the second C of communication, which is conciseness. When we talk about conciseness, that tells us how the message can be made short and simple. So when we understand this terminology, we have to consider that we should use fewest of the possible words for sending a message, and we shouldn't compromise with the quality of text, quality of information that we are sending to the receiver. So we should have a concise message, and it is complete if we are having the right use of words, the less use of words, without making the entire message wordy. We should focus on making it more concise, that is short, simple, and understandable. Moving ahead to the another C of communication, that is consideration. Consideration, this simply helps us to understand that how we have to prepare a message with respect to the receiver in our mind. That is to say, we have to consider how the receiver is going to perceive our message. We have to consider their ideas, their emotions, their attitudes, their desires. We need to know what type of probable reactions we can have from our audience. Considering the you attitude, that is the audience attitude, will help us to have a smooth process of communication. Another important C of communication is concreteness. This is very, very significant when we are communicating or when we are sending a message to the audience. Communicating concretely means being very specific in our message, being very definite and vivid. Rather than journalizing our entire content or entire message, we should keep it to the point and we should be very specific. One should use denotative words, that means dictionary words, or we can say direct words, rather than using some connotative words which can confuse the audience. Next C of communication is related to clarity. As the term suggests, the message should be very clear. Getting the meaning from your head into the head of your reader accurately is the purpose of clarity. So if we are having a clear message, we can convey it clearly to the audience and they will be able to interpret it clearly. Next C of communication is courtesy. We should be very courteous in our communication. We should be aware about the perspectives of the people. Also, it's very significant to take care of their feelings. We should show respect to the people. We should consider the audience. We should give them importance. So we should be very sincere when we are communicating with our people, with our receiver. We have to be very courteous with them. The last C of communication is correctness. As the term suggests, we should send a correct message where we should consider, we should go through the text that we are sending or the words that we are using, the use of grammar in it, use of punctuation marks if we are writing, or the spellings that we are using. Grammatical errors may lead to losing of a customer or losing of our receivers, right? So it is really important to make use of right level of language and to check the accuracy of facts, figures, and the words, the grammar that we are using. So it will help us to maintain acceptable writing mechanics and also to have acceptance towards the message that we are sending, whether it's verbal or non-verbal. So these are all the 7 C's of communication, which plays very significant role in our communication. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.